Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chimp Pant Cheese Reacts. Today we're going to be reacting to That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, episode 16. This is Mr. Aggro here.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Gina Keeb here.
Hey chimps, it's Super Loser. And are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, play.
Shake hand.
Oh yeah, the Alliance.
Get out Tempest.
2 days later. He's back again?
Armor.
The heck? That's somebody.
Dead body! He's feeding him a dead body!
Whoa.
Vesta, what do they want with
yeah,
him?
the guy. How is he talented? Talented at lying.
I don't know.
Yeah, but a guy like that, you don't want him
Yeah.
to betray you again.
No, he only betrayed because he wanted to.
Get rid of the other dwarf guy.
Yeah. And kind of show off to the king. That's all it
Yeah.
is. But now.
But what did he do that was so useful?
He's supposedly their
Yeah.
scientist guy now.
Yeah.
I just remember at the beginning, that dude just punched him.
All the way to
2 days
drop him
later.
Just drop him off.
Hey, they reused that scene. Oh yeah, what? What the heck?
Yeah, I know he's gonna come here.
Mm,
Yeah.
I'll cut him up.
Can you
wants a new
rename
name?
me?
Yeah. He named him.
Oh wow.
He renamed him Gabaru again.
Well, wasn't it like if your master names you, then you get his power or something like that?
I don't know.
Not really. I think he just get like EXP or something. He just gets stronger.
Yeah, like, but it's kind of like the stronger your master is, like.
Yeah.
If he names you, then the stronger you are.
Yeah.
What? Who are they?
Who are these guys?
Yeah, wait.
Who
Yeah,
are
what's
they?
going on?
Wait, what did he say?
Who are those guys?
Did he say he found them?
Oh, whoa. Okay, they evolved
Wait,
into human.
they went from lizard to
Lizard?
people?
What?
Oh, cause it's like.
Oh.
That's cool as hell.
Huh.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
So you're saying the humans are the strongest? Because everyone seems to be getting like more and more like humans.
I guess so.
Yeah, but he's still a lizard.
Yeah.
What?
I don't know. Maybe they could transform.
Ooh.
Oh boy.
I know, right? Dragon Ball Z.
I think the other demon lords wanted her to do it, man, cause she seems really simple-minded and really.
Yeah,
Impulsive.
but we don't know. Wait. We don't know if she's a demon lord yet.
Yeah.
We just know that. Yeah.
Well, she was part of those people that had
Yeah.
the globe thing.
See,
Destroyer.
demon lord.
Okay.
Oh, Demon Lord.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Hey, I'm just saying. I haven't said it yet. All right. Bogus. Dude.
He's using boob size.
Okay.
A waste of time.
Mhm.
You're no match.
Ooh. Don't do it. Damn.
Wait, I could swear she jumped away.
Right.
Oh,
Whoa!
going Super Saiyan, just like I'm charging up. Oh. Damn.
10 times.
Damn.
10 times. What?
What's going on?
Like, gave something for her to eat.
Like some Jello.
Eh. Oh.
Oh.
So tasty.
Damn, that means that all the other ones are pretty strong too then.
Yeah.
Mhm. Damn, 10 times as strong as her.
I know, right?
I don't know about that one. Ooh. Talk shit.
A tighter like her.
Yeah.
What?
He's like, what? He's like, what?
Besties.
What the hell?
Why are you doing this slime on?
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't get jumped. That's what.
Mhm.
Yeah. Time to go training arc! Training arc!
Bestie. You have to me.
I don't know how I feel with the episode, man. That episode
Yeah.
was weird.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know. I feel like they could have summarized the whole episode in like 3 scenes.
Mm.
Yeah.
They kind of dragged it on, but I mean, come on, like, all suddenly, like, one of the strongest characters in the anime is like your best friend now, you
Yeah.
know? I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some plot twists later on where she has to choose between Demon Lord or being his friend
Yeah, or she might get like possessed or
or
something.
some shit. Yeah, but
Mhm.
I don't know. I just don't like that. All suddenly, like this super strong ass person just comes and like hang out with you.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, because it's just too much things that could happen
yeah,
that I'm
I
just
don't
not
know.
comfortable with that.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna give this episode like a 6.5.
Yeah.
It's pretty low.
Yeah, I'll give it like a 6.
Damn.
Just cause like I don't understand what's going on.
Well,
I mean
it's kind.
I understand what's going on, but it's kind of like I don't know how it could go from here. Like it's just
Yeah.
weird, you know. I mean it could go a lot of different ways, right? But it just now
guess
this
it just
happened
didn't-
is like
It just doesn't make sense.
mhm.
That all of a sudden this like super strongest character all of a sudden wants to be your friend. You know.
Yeah, yeah. And it's not like you did anything to like help her or protect her or anything. It just like out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to be your friend just cause I'm bored.
Or because
Yeah.
you gave me some honey.
Yeah, yeah. So it's just super, I don't know, weird. And then I don't know, and then it just goes to show even though we thought he was Slime was strong as heck, like he's
Apparently
like,
he's pretty weak. Yeah.
alright, no match for these guys.
Yeah.
So that's
Well,
kind of a big twist too.
I don't know, I'm okay with that though. You know, so it
Mhm.
gives him room to like improve and become
Yeah, yeah.
stronger. But
That's true.
But come on, you're gonna just give some lady that's 10 times stronger than him all suddenly on his side, you know?
Yeah. Out of nowhere. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
I'll give it a 6.3. I'm right there with you guys. It's a lot of uncertainty. I think it's a little bit of story building because, I think that like it's like what they said, the demon lord, other demon lords are probably gonna like eye on them now,
mhm.
So I mean, it's already happened, but I think that was why they sent Millium Mel in there. So
No, she just went by herself. She just wanted to meet him. No one had sent her.
Mm,
yeah,
That was the thing. It's like she just did it on her own, and then all of a sudden
yeah.
became his ally.
right.
Just,
But yeah.
all right.
Okay, we good.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for watching this episode of Chimpanzees reacting to That Time Got Reincarnated as a Slime, episode 16. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe down below, and we'll catch you guys later. Thanks, guys.
See ya.
See ya.
Peace.